Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to create a music playlist on YouTube. Creating a music playlist on YouTube helps you organize your favorite songs in one place. It allows you to listen continuously without searching for each track. You can easily build and manage playlists using your computer. To begin, launch any web browser on your PC. Go to YouTube. Visit the YouTube website. Sign into your account. Click sign in and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Search for a song. Use the search bar to find your desired music. Open the video. Click on the song to start playing it. Click the save button, located below the video player. Select create new playlist. Choose this option from the menu. Enter playlist name. Type a name for your playlist. Set privacy settings. Choose public, unlisted, or private. Click create. Confirm to create your playlist. Add more songs. Search for other songs you like. Click save again. Select your created playlist to add the song. Open your playlist. Click the three lines in the top left corner, then go to playlist and click your playlist. Here you can edit your playlist and view them. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.